guys, I just woke up and I want you guys to spend the day with me. This week hasn't been so busy. It's just been my regular routine, work, home, work, home. So I didn't see the need for me to film anything for you. But today, I actually have a couple of things to do. I have maintenance to do for myself because look at my lashes. It's all gone, and this one, like, I just need to take it off and do my nails, wash my braids. Also, I have to make some hair. So yeah, come spend today with me. Let's see how today goes. Let's see what today brings to us. Okay? Let's go.
I'm living this day like it's my last. Moving forward fast, no shadow of the past. Staying up all night, all summer. Doing it my way, no other. Yeah, let my heartbeat shout till dawn. And I won't slow down when the night is gone. Keeping it all night, all summer. Spending time like no other. It was a spark, but it faded too soon. It was a flame burning under the moon. It was a spark, maybe I spoke too loud. But that's how it goes, I let it out. I'm living my days like they won't rewind. No looking back, leaving old tracks behind. Staying up all night, all summer. Doing it my way, no other. Yeah, I'll dance till the sky turns gold. And I won't stop when the air turns cold. Keeping it all night, all summer. Living loud like no other.
Okay guys, so I'm done cleaning my room. You guys saw that. I'm done exercising as well. So I'm going to take my shower and then also take the time to wash my braids. It's been 2 weeks since I got this in and I haven't washed my hair. There's a bit of build up because of the oils and the creams I applied to the hair, so I need to wash it. I also need to finish this, my green tea and apple cider mix. Usually I take just apple cider with warm water in the morning. Then I'll take green tea in the evening before I go to bed. But I made green tea for myself yesterday and I forgot to take it before I went to sleep. I slept off and woke up to it on my table. So I decided to warm it up and add some apple cider to it and have it. I can't waste it. Let's go wash my hair. That was an entire self-care routine I did there, but let's go ahead and do my face care or skin care. I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It's so lightweight. It's just so smooth on my skin. I love it. Remember your neck every time you're applying your skincare. Because I'm not in a hurry today, I'm going to let that sit on my face for some time, then I go ahead to apply my sunscreen. We are usually supposed to allow the product to settle in a bit, just for some minutes before you top it up with another one. But because we mostly are in a hurry to work, to wherever we are going, we just put the product on, there we go. Let's just allow it to settle in today. Then I'm going to use my sunscreen. I'm using the waiting time to clean my earrings, and I want to know, how often do you clean your earrings? They're also part of self-care. Take the time to clean your earrings, especially when you wear this type of earrings. the copper ones, you have to clean them because dirt builds up at the back of your ear and they never look good. So you always need to take your time to clean your earrings. And if you guys notice, when I was taking my shower, I did wash the back of my ear as well. It is very important. Never neglect it, because most times we usually don't wash from like top to down. We just wash from like shoulder to down. We mostly forget to wash our ears, like the back of our ears. Take time to wash your ears whenever you're taking your bath or whenever you're doing your self-care routine. It's very, very important. That place can stink. I'm going to use my Dermopower moisturizing sunscreen. And they say even if you're not going out, you still need to put on sunscreen. I mean, sometimes we don't do, because we're also trying to save products. These products are very expensive these days. I learned you do not also have to blend your entire sunscreen into your skin. You allow it to settle in. So I think I'm going to leave it like this. Yeah, even though I think I blended it a bit more, but yeah, I'm going to allow this to settle into my skin. Let's now check on my hair. It's still wet, especially this side, because that's the heaviest part. I'm just going to leave it to air dry. This is the first time I actually use like the stocking cap to wash my hair. I've been seeing videos of it on TikTok. If you do not want to mess up your braids, you use that, and I'm in love. It just did a good job. I mean, my scalp is clean. My hair was not messed up. It did its job. I'm supposed to apply a leave-in conditioner and an oil to my hair to keep it moisturized, but I don't have I don't want the cream one. There are some that you can just spray on your hair. I wish I had that. I need to get that for like braids. And when my hair is on like that without any braids, I can use the normal one. But I have no choice than to use this because I don't have it. And I can't let my hair suffer from dryness. So I'm going to use the Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. I wanted to use this one from Asiome because this one is quite moisturizing. This some way somehow makes my hair very hard. But this is also very thick. Because I'm applying it to my braids by itself, I feel like, I don't know, but I'll go for a lightweight one instead. Later, I'll mix it up with my clove water, then I'll spread it on my hair. I'm going to apply my oil now. We not tilapia and I'm afraid you remember my thought.
What is your fridge body?
So I'm going to do my lashes, my nails, my fingernails and my toenails later. But first, let me get myself something to eat because I'm starving. I'm all done with my toenails, and guys, I know I didn't show you guys what I ate. I actually ate fried yam with tilapia. I was so hungry that when I brought the food, I forgot to record. I'm sorry. forgive me. Okay, so I'm done eating. I came back to do my toenails. Now I'm going to do my fingernails. Torn in between. I don't know if I should use this French tips or this plain baby pink nails. I got all these nail sets from Temu. It's so affordable if you're looking for very, very affordable nail products to use for your nails yourself. You can try them. They are so affordable. So I think I'm going to use the baby pink one. My nails are very short. Please don't judge me. My nails are like so short. They're very, very tiny. Small nails. Please. Nobody should talk about my nails. Don't talk about my nails. Please, I beg you, don't. Let me start with it before I start feeling lazy. Fingernails check, toenails check. Now let's move to lashes. It's actually late. I had to turn on my lights. I mean, this thing is exhausting, but we're going to do it. So you guys know the lashes I already used. This one, I'm going to just go ahead and finish up real quick because I'm already tired. I'm a little bit sad right now because I broke my mirror. Yeah. This is the mirror I use when I'm doing my makeup, when I'm doing my lashes that I'm about to do now. When I'm doing anything on my face, this is what I use and I broke it. I have no words. Let me actually zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing very well. Focus. So guys, I'm done with everything. My lashes are done, my hair was washed, my nails are done, my toenails are done, basically everything. Today was dedicated to myself. I made sure to do everything by the close of today, that way I can get time to do other stuff. Okay, so that comes to the end of my self-care maintenance day daily vlog, day in a life vlog, whatever you call it. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super grateful for each and every one of you watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff to it. Okay, join the family. We'd love to have you here, and until next time, I'll see you all in my video. Bye.